Hello. So I'm here at IKEA.
You voted on my Instagram and it's 50-50, so we're gonna get this one.
Hello, this is Carlo. I'm here at IKEA and there's a line. And yeah, so I'm just going to pick up the 3 items that I'm going to give away. So yeah, there's a big line. And then we're keeping the distance from each other, of course, because of the coronavirus type of thing, just to making sure that everybody's safe. And then yeah, so we'll check this out. So they're not really open. They're only open for pickups. So I ordered this one online today, and then there's a specific time for you to pick it up. So yeah, and then if you're not going to pick it up, they're going to just cancel the order, and then you're gonna lose it. So yeah, I'm going to pick up the 3 things that I'm going to give away on my YouTube, and just for you, just to make a fun social distancing for everybody anyways. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to pick up 3 items that I ordered that I'm going to give away for you guys, so that will make our confinement happy and exciting. And then yeah, so we'll check this out, and I will let you know how is this gonna be, and then how long is this gonna take.
30 minutes later.
I got it. I got this stupid hat. Yeah. This is crazy. So I got 3. So let's see what's gonna happen with this one. We're going to pick 3 winners, and then yeah, so the details would be I'm going to tell you the details of it.
Number 1, you must be subscribed into our channel. Number 2, comment below and say mine. Number 3, like this video. That's it. This giveaway will run until the 31st of March at 11:59 p.m. PST time. The announcement of the 3 winners will be on the 1st of April.
Yay! Are you excited? Thank you for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Bye.